Hi guys, my name is Elijah Ballesteros. I am a high school chemistry instructor, and today I wanted to go over how to draw the Lewis structure for different compounds as well as what the octet rule is. So first and foremost, let's talk about Lewis structures. What is a Lewis structure? Well, a Lewis structure is simply a drawing or a representation of a single atom or compound. And all the valence electrons are drawn or represented in a bond. So, real quick, how many valence electrons does fluorine have? I'll give you a second to pause the video and look at your periodic table to figure out how many valence electrons it has. Alright, well, fluorine, as you can see, is in column number 7. Therefore, it has 7 valence electrons. Now, do the same with carbon. How many valence electrons does carbon have? Carbon has 4 valence electrons. So how would this look for each respective element and that one atom of an element? Well, for fluorine would have 7 dots around it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. For carbon, it would only have 4 dots around it. And you can draw these dots anywhere. Or for now, all these variations are okay because we don't know more theorems that prove that electrons want to be paired. So for now, I'll accept any one of these variations. Later on in next week's video, we'll talk about why electrons want to be paired together like this in this first variation. So, how would I draw a covalent bond between carbon and fluorine? And so specifically we're going to be talking about CF4. Well, first, we know that carbon always wants to form 4 bonds. So, we're going to draw carbon, and we're going to draw 4 dots around it, representing the valence electrons. Now, let's draw fluorine. 4 fluorines. Alright, so this is how you could be drawing your fluorine molecules. I'm going to scoot this up a little bit. And what is a covalent bond? A covalent bond means that electrons are being shared between 2 different atoms. So right here we can see that fluorine and carbon are going to share these electrons. They're going to share these electrons, these, and these. So another way to draw this Lewis structure for CF4, let me draw a quick line across this. For CF4 is simply by drawing carbon with 4 bonds sticking out and fluorine. Now you might be saying, well, Mr. Ballesteros, why did you not draw the lone pairs around the fluorines? Well, it's assumed that there are enough lone pairs for the charge to equal 0. If you don't see a charge in the top right corner, either positive or negative, then you know that the atom is neutral and that the octet is filled up.